once this batch will continue. No demo will held complete today. Okay. Hey Nitya, good evening. How are you? Are you roaming? Your demo has started, you're not even aware? I hope we'll be going to find a place for you immediately to settle down because we will be going to continue a demo, okay? Hey Nitya, you can unmute yourself. So I would like to introduce you with your mentor as you are the only one in the demo. So we will not be going to conduct a demo. We will be going to have a quick interaction with your mentor along with some demonstration on the particular topic of your subject. I hope that will be feasible for you. Will that be feasible for you, Nitya? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have you joined us before also? This will be your first time.
No, ma'am.
Before.
I have been practicing Max Olympiad in the Olympiad success.
Okay, great. So I hope you are aware of the dashboard and everything, how you have to access your material. So I am not supposed to give you the dashboard to right. So we have Mr. Vikram with us. He'll be your mentor for Vedic mathematics. So you can interact with him. He's into teaching profession since so long, and his classes are very engaging and productive, of course, right? So you can interact with him, and he'll be going to give you a short demonstration on the whiteboard, which will be helpful for you to understand that how will be the exact teaching classes. Okay, so that will be just for you. So I hope we can begin. Over to you, Vikram, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, Nitya. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So, Nitya, do you have any idea about what Vedic mathematics is?
Sir, I didn't get you.
Do you have any idea about what Vedic mathematics is?
It actually shortcut for calculating.
Okay, shortcuts for calculations. That's pretty accurate. But before I introduce you to Vedic mathematics, let me introduce myself. My name is Vikram Rawat, and by education, I'm a mechanical engineer, but I've been in the field of education for the past 7-8 years now. And I train people for Vedic mathematics. Along with that, I help people prepare for various competitive exams. I also teach maths and science to students, right? So that's all about my introduction. Let's jump to the topic of Vedic mathematics. Before I tell you anything about what Vedic mathematics is, what we're going to learn, I demonstrate you the tools and methods of Vedic mathematics. Do you actually like mathematics?
Yes, sir.
You like. Okay, great. So what is the best part about mathematics that you like? Any particular topic?
Yes, sir. I personally like variables, constants, related to linear equations and algebraic expressions.
Algebra. Okay, great. Nitya, you're in which grade right now?
8th.
8th. Okay. So see, you'll generally find that whenever people make mistakes, it's usually because of calculations. Even when you appear for a Olympiad or a competitive exam, most of the people actually know answers for most of the questions. Yet they are not able to complete these questions in the given time because the time is limited and you have to complete a lot of questions. So to improve or to work on that, we developed some formulas, not we, but these formulas have been developed centuries ago. These help us calculate faster. So if you know these formulas, you know these methods, you can at least finish these questions in time, right? So that won't be a problem. Not just Olympiads or competitive exam. Even in your normal day-to-day life, you can use these formulas, not just to improve your calculation, but also this also improves the logic and reasoning part of your brain, right? So let's try to understand some of these things. I'll start with a very simple method, a very simple calculation. But before I do that, can you just give it a try? Do you have a pen and a paper? Am I audible, Nitya? Hello. Nitya, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you're ready with a pen and a paper, I would want you to try this
Yes,
question
sir.
first. Once you have the answer, you send me the answer in chat, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Simple multiplication, huh?
Okay.
Give it a try. Okay, great. So Nitya, the answer is correct. I hope the question was not too difficult.
No, sir.
No? Do you want to know how much time you took?
Yes, sir.
As soon as you started, I started the stopwatch and you took 1 minute 45 seconds. So if I had to do it using Vedic mathematics, anyways, I already know the answer. So let me try another question. See, if I have to do a similar question like 99 times, let's say 84. So instead of taking 1 minute 45 seconds, I'll directly write the answer because that's how easy Vedic mathematics makes it. Right? So not 1 minute 45 seconds, it would hardly take me 10 seconds. So let's
Yes.
learn this method. Just give me a minute. Somebody has entered the room. Hi, Bhamika. Am I audible? Bhamika, can you please? Bhaumek, if you can hear me, can you please turn on your camera?
Yes, sir.
Bhaumek, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Bhaumek, we just started with this Vedic mathematics demo, and before I continue, I will again introduce myself. I'll be mentor for your Vedic maths classes, and my name is Vikram Rawat. Education, I'm a mechanical engineer, but I've been in the field of education for the past 7-8 years now, and I train for Vedic mathematics, math, science, and various other competitive exams. Right. So this is the question that we were discussing. We had just started with this one method of Vedic mathematics. So Nitya took somewhere around 1 minute 45 seconds to solve this one question. Let's see how much time you take. Can you also give it a try before we continue? It's a simple calculation, 99 multiplied by 75. Is the whiteboard visible to you, Bhaumek?
Yes, sir. I'm just taking my pen.
Sure.
Seven, four,
Is it done? Bhaumek, if it is done, you can send me the answer in the chat. Okay. The answer is correct, and you took somewhere around 1 minute 12 seconds, which is a lot of time. As I was telling Nitya, that if you or when you're using Vedic mathematics, see, I'll tell you how simple it is. So all you have to do, keep in mind, whenever you have to multiply any number with 99, you can completely ignore this number 99. You won't require 99 in any of the calculations. The only focus should be on the that is 75. The first step is breaking down the answer into two parts. Make two parts of the answer. Starting from this right hand side, I hope both of you are paying attention. Starting from the right hand side, simply subtract 75 out of 100. 175. Not too difficult, I suppose. On the left hand side, write down 75 and subtract 1 out of it. That's it. 75 minus 1 is 74. 100 minus 75 is 25, and that's your answer. Combined together, 7,425. Now, once you practice this enough, you can do all of this mentally without writing anything on the paper. As I was showing Nitya, I'll give you another example, Bhaumek. See, if I have to multiply 99 and 63. So instead of doing all of this, I'll directly write 63 minus 162 and 100 minus 63. That is 37. That would be the answer. Right? So that's how easy it makes calculation for you people. So we'll practice many more such questions, many more such methods, not just for multiplication, but for addition, subtraction, division, squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, almost every calculation that you might require in your mathematics. We'll cover everything up. So is this method clear to both of you? Nitya? Do you have any questions for me? Sure. Nitya,
Yes, sir.
do you have any question about the method?
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. So let me give you a few more questions to see if you've truly understood this or not, right? Okay. So I would want both of you to try this. 99 times 45. Come on, Bhaumik and Nitya. Very good, Nitya. Very good, Bhaumik. So Nitya, from 1 minute 45 seconds, you've come down to 15 seconds. And how much time have we spent on this method? Hardly 5 minutes. Similarly, Bhaumik, from 1 minute 12 seconds, your time has come down to 25 seconds. Right? You've not even practiced this method yet. So, of course, you will have to practice. You will have to give some time to Vedic mathematics. You'll have to practice some questions at home, which we will provide you. But if you really want to improve your calculations, you really want to develop that logic and reasoning part. So everybody should learn Vedic mathematics. Let's try some more questions. Before we do that, let me explain this. 45 minus 1, 44 on the left hand side, 100 minus 45, 55 on the right hand side. That's the answer. That's all you need to do. Let's try one more question. Come on. Very good, Nitya. Very good. Not even 10 seconds this time. So yeah, 82 minus 1 on left, 100 minus 82, 18 on the right. That's the answer. Now, if you need a logic behind this method, what you can remember this as 99 is 100 minus 1, and that's what we use in our calculations. If you'll see, 100 is being used on the opposite side. That's why 100 minus 45. Minus 1 is also used on the opposite side. That's why 45 minus 1. So just for you to understand the logic so that you remember this for a long time, I've given you the logic as well. Is this method clear to both of you?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So that's the only method that we're going to discuss today. We will discuss more such calculation tricks in the classes, but I have some PPTs to share. Just give me a minute. I hope the PPT is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So once you log in, you will get an email ID, an ID and a password through which you can log into Olympiad Success, the official website of Olympiad Success. And through this, see, you'll find a sign up page. You enter your ID, you enter your password, and then you go to your live classes. I think Nitya already knows this, right? So you can access all the material through this website. You enter subject as Vedic mathematics, and you'll be able to see the schedule along with the holiday calendar. So the days on which you will have an off is already mentioned on the holiday calendar. Then next, yeah, subject we've already discussed. Okay, and you'll find the reading material, the practice papers, the test papers, everything on the website. So if you look at it, you'll have an individual lecture for every session. So you can read the reading material, you can go through the reading material, then you can also practice some questions. You'll find question papers here in the practice questions. That's it. Now, do you have any questions for me? Both of you, Nitya, Bhaumek, anything that you want to ask about Vedic mathematics, about the classes? Nothing? Achha, first of all, tell me, how did you find the method of multiplication? How was it? Yes, Bhaumek. Bhaumek, I think there's some problem with your network. I cannot hear you properly. Can you
So
write
it's
it in
not
the chat?
very easy to do bigger calculations instead of taking time.
Exactly. Now, this was just for 99. We have a similar method for 999, 9,999, even random numbers. So we'll be discussing all of that in the coming classes. And regarding the admission, regarding the classes, you can of course contact Pooja ma'am or whoever you were contacting, right? Whoever you were in touch with. That's it for today. I hope I'll see you in the classes soon, right? Okay. If you don't have any questions for me, you can end the class for now. Both of you, Nitya and Bhaumek. And if you want to say something, you want to ask something, please go ahead. Nothing? Okay. Okay then. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye.
First.